Hi students, I am Ranjit Raj. Welcome to my channel Mathologic Tutorial. So students, in previous videos we learned about real numbers and we solved problems on real numbers. So in this video we are going to solve few problems on real numbers operations. Answers. Okay. Now let's see problem number 3 in exercise 1.4. Right. So in the following equations find whether the variables x, y, z, etc. represent rational or irrational number. Okay, so in these equations whether these variables are showing rational number or irrational number. So students, see the first solution, first problem, x square is equal to 7. So if x square is equal to 7, what x is equal to under root of 7? Students, see 7 cannot be expressed as with power 2. Okay, we can't express some other number to the power of 2 is equal to 7. Okay, so we can tell 7 is not like square of any other number. So under root of 7 is irrational number. Okay, so under root of 7 is irrational number. So q dash. So y square is equal to 16. Then y is equal to what? Under root of 16, which is equal to 4. Okay, so 16 can be expressed as square of 4. Okay, so under root of 4 square root cancel, you can get 4, which is rational. And z square is equal to 0.02 is there. So what z is equal to under root of 0.02. We can't express 0.02 with the square of other number. So this is irrational number. And u square is equal to 17 by 4. So u is equal to what? Under root of 17 by 4. So students, we have one formula. Under root of a by b is equal to what? Root a by root b. So this can be written as root 17 by root 4 value 2. So students, this root 17 by 2 is irrational only. 17 can't express as square of other number. So this is belongs to q dash, means irrational number. So w square is equal to 27, then w is equal to what? Root 27. We can't express 27 as square of other number. So under root of 27 is irrational number. So t to the power of 4 is equal to 256. Then what t is equal? So students, when we are transposing power 4 to the other side, then it becomes 4th root. Okay. So 4th root of 256. So what is this? What is its name? Biquadratic surd. Okay. And we can write this 256 as 4 to the power of 4. See, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 4s are 256. So 4th root of 4 to the power of 4 will come. Here power 4 and 4th root will get cancelled. So we will get 4, which is rational number. So students, so like this we can represent these are rationals or irrationals. Students, let's see problem number 4. The ratio of circumference to the diameter of a circle C by D is represented by pi. But we say pi is an irrational number, right? So students, see the number which is in the form of p by q is known as rational number. So which we learnt already. But we say pi as irrational number. So what is the reason? So students, see if we take a circle, okay, the distance around this circle, okay, so the perimeter of the circle is known as circumference. Okay, so circumference by diameter. What is the diameter? The longest chord which is passing through center of the circle is called diameter. Okay, so circumference by diameter is known as pi. Okay, fine. Why this pi is rational number? So students, what is irrational number? If which cannot written in the form of p by q is called irrational number. So students, here reason is, yesterday we discussed one important point about irrational numbers. If p is rational and q is irrational, then p by q is irrational. If p is irrational, q is rational, so in that case also p by q is an irrational. So students, here we can here either circumference or diameter is irrational. Okay, so either circumference either circumference or diameter may irrational. Therefore, pi is an irrational number. Pi is an irrational number. So this is the result. Okay. Let's see problem number 5. Rationalize the denominators of the following. Okay. So we have to rationalize the denominators. So let's see problem number 1 in question number 5. 1 by 3 plus root 2 is there. So students, about rationalizing factors we have discussed in previous class. Okay, if a plus root b is the third, then its rationalizing factor is what? A minus root b. If root a plus root b is there, what is the rationalizing factor? Root a minus root b. Okay, so students, here 3 plus root 2 is there. So we need to take a rationalizing factor of denominator. Okay, so that is the first step. So rationalizing factor is equal to of 3 plus root 2 is equal to 3 minus root 2. So students, very simple thing. Here in between plus there means take minus, minus there means plus. That's it. Now students, with this we have to multiply and divide. So simply we have to multiply 1 by 3 plus root 2 with 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. Okay, so 1 by 3 plus root 2 into, so we need to multiply with 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. So students, here numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. So what are the numerators? 1 and 3 minus root 2. What is the product? 3 minus root 2. And denominator. So students, observe denominators. So in which form it is there? A plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. Okay. Now here denominators are 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2, where a is 3 and b is root 2. You can write it as 3 square minus root 2 square. Square root cancelled. Okay. So what will be the next step? 3 minus root 2 by 3 square is 9 minus 2. So students, 3 minus root 2 by 9 minus 2 is what? 7. So what type of number 7 is? 7 is rational number. What is the question? Rationalize the denominator. So denominator rationalized. Okay. So this is the process. Now students, let's see second problem. Okay. So second problem is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So students, first we need to take the rationalizing factor of the denominator. Okay. So this is in the form of root a minus root b. Rationalizing factor of root a minus root b is what? Root a plus root b. So rationalizing factor of root 7 minus root 6 is equal to root 7 plus root 6. Now with root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6, we need to multiply this expression. So 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. So students, here you may get doubt. See, root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6 is nothing but 1. If we multiply anything with 1, then there is no change, because 1 is multiplicative identity. So here just we are changing its form, but expression value is not changing. Please remember. So numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So denominator is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, right? So a minus b into a plus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. We are using this formula for simplifying denominators. And see, we are multiplying two fractions, right? So in multiplication of two fractions, remember children, numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Okay. So 1 into root 7 plus root 6. 1 into root 7 plus root 6 by, and denominator it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So it can be written as root 7 square minus root 6 square. Okay, square root cancelled, and 1 into this expression there is no change. Root 7 plus root 6 by 7 minus 6, that is equal root 7 plus root 6 by 1. And students, what type of number this one is? Rational number. Yes or no? So they are asking us to make rationalize the denominator. Yeah, we rationalized. So in this way we will solve. Students, let's see problem number 3. 1 by root 7. So students, what type of surd is this? Monomial surd. To monomial surds, those given surds itself rationalizing factors. So root 7 is here. So rationalizing factor of root 7 is equal to root 7 only. Okay, now next step is what? We have to take root 7 by root 7. With that we have to multiply the given fraction. So 1 by root 7 into root 7 by root 7. So students, what we will do here? Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. So 1 into root 7 is what? Root 7 by root 7 into root 7? Root 7 square. So square root cancelled, root 7 by 7 we got. And if you observe the denominator, what is the denominator? 7. So it's rationalized or not? Rationalized. 7 is a rational number. Now students, will see the fourth problem, that is root 6 by root 3 minus root 2. So students, first we have to observe the denominator, that is binomial. Root 3 minus root 2 is there. We have to take the rationalizing factor of this expression first. So rationalizing factor of root 3 minus root 2 is equal root 3 plus root 2. Now with the root 3 plus root 2 we have to multiply and divide. Okay, so root 6 by root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. So numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. And students, denominator is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. Okay, so where a minus b into a plus b gives you a square minus b square. Okay, so now numerator into numerator. So that is root 6 of root 3 plus root 2 by, it's in the form of a plus b into a minus b, right? So we can write it as root 3 square minus root 2 square, and square root cancelled. Okay, and student, here you can use the distributive property. Root 6 into root 3 plus root 6 into root 2. Okay, so root 6 into root 3 plus root 6 into root 2 by 3 minus 2. So students, we have one formula. What is that? Root a into root b is equal root of a into b. So root 6 into root 3 can be written as root 18 plus root 6 into root 2 is what? Root 12 by 3 minus 2 is 1. Students, what type of number 1 is? Rational. So here denominator rationalized. Now let's see problem number 6. Simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. We have to simplify all these expressions by rationalizing the denominator. So let's see the problem number 1 in 6th bit. 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2 is there. So students, denominator is what? Binomial surd. Okay. So first we have to take the rationalizing factor of 6 plus 4 root 2 is equal 6 minus 4 root 2. Rationalizing factor of 6 plus 4 root 2 is equal 6 minus 4 root 2. So students, here we need to multiply the given expression with 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. So 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. So children, so observe here, numerator is in the form of a minus b into a minus b. Same expression 2 times. A minus b into a minus b means what? A minus b whole square. Okay. So here a minus b whole square. So students, what is its expansion? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So students, if you tell a square minus 2ab plus b square also correct only. If you write a square plus b square minus 2ab also correct. Okay. And denominator in the form of a plus b into a minus b, right? So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So these two formulae we are going to use for simplifying this given expression. Yeah, now numerator is in the form of 6 minus 4 root 2 whole square by denominator a plus b into a minus b, right? Means 6 square minus 4 root 2 whole square. Okay, so children, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a square, that is 6 square, plus b square, that is 4 root 2 whole square, minus 2ab, means minus 2 into 6 into 4 root 2 by, this is in the form of 36 minus, so students, here 4 root 2 whole square is there. Here we need to use one formula, a into b whole power m. So a into b whole power m is equal to what? A to the power of m into b to the power of m. So we are using this formula. This is 4 square into root 2 square. So here square root cancelled. Here you can cancel. Some students may get confused and here they are cutting this square and square root. That is big mistake. So 4 square into root 2 square. If you cut, that is wrong because this power 2 is there for 4 and root 2. This is the property of 4 and root 2. Not only belongs to like root 2, this square. Okay, so 4 square into root 2 square you have, right? Square and square root cancelled. Now let's see next step. 6 square value. Okay, so 6 square value is what? 36. Okay, plus 4 root 2 whole square. So here also same, ab whole power we need to use. 4 square into root 2 square. 4 square value is what? 16. Root 2 square value, okay, right here. 4 square into root 2 square minus 2 6 are 12, 12 4s are 48. Minus 48 root 2. Minus 48 root 2. By 36 minus 4 square 16. 16 2s are is what, children? 16 2s are 32. Now see next step. 36 plus 4 square is 16. Square root cancelled. So 16 into 2 is what? 32 minus 48 root 2 by 4. Okay, that is equal 36 plus 32 value is what, students? 68 minus 48 root 2 by 4. So students, here we need to check whether any possibility is there to take common. And one more mistake many of the students will do, like 4 is here, 68 here, no? 4 ones are 470 there. Directly they will do like that. Big mistake. Here if you do like this, you will lose marks. Okay, after taking common, you can simplify. Suppose see 68 is here, minus 48 is here. 12 4s are 48. 17 4s are 68. Means 4 is common factor to 68 and 48. It means you can write it as 4 into 17 minus 4 into 12 into root 2 by 4. So students, we have distributive property. A into B minus A into C, there means we can write A of B minus C. It means we can take this 4 outside. So 4 of 17 minus 12 root 2 by 4. So students, 4 ones are 4 ones are. So what is the final answer here? 17 minus 12 root 2. So this is the answer. And also denominator is 1, which is rational number. Okay. Now students, let's see problem number 2 in 6th bit. That's root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5. So students, here we have to take the rationalizing factor of denominator. Okay. So rationalizing factor, okay, rationalizing factor of root 7 plus root 5. Root 7 plus root 5 is equal. So what we have to do, just we have to take opposite symbol between them. Plus in here, no? So here we have to take minus. Okay, root 7 minus root 5. So with the root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 minus root 5, we have to multiply the given expression. Okay. So here root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5 into root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5, sorry, root 7 minus root 5. So students, here both the numerators are same. A minus b into a minus b, what? A minus b whole square. Okay, so here a minus b whole square. This numerator is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is the expansion? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, and denominator a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, which gives you a square minus b square. So students, now we have to write root 7 minus root 5 whole square by this. We can write this like denominator product as root 7 square minus root 5 square, and we know that to square root square there means we can cancel it. To square root square there means we can cancel it, and you have to expand it by using a minus b whole square formula. So what you will get? A square means root 7 square plus b square means root 5 square minus 2 into root 7 into root 5 whole by 7 minus 5. Okay, so square root cancelled, 7 plus 5 is what? 12 minus 2 root 7 into root a. Students, root a into root b is what? Root of a into b. So 2 root of 7 into 5 by 7 minus 5 is what? 2. So 12 minus 2 root 35 by 2. So students, from numerator, see 12 can be written as 2 6 sir. 2 is what? 2 1 sir. So you can take 2 common no outside. So here you can take 2 outside and you will get 2 of 2 6 are 12, right? So 2 of 6 minus symbol is here. So minus 2 1s are 2, right? So 2 1s are 2 and root 35 is there. So 6 minus 1 root 35 by 2. 2 same thing, cancel. Now children, what is the, so denominator rationalized, it became 1, and what is the final answer? 6 minus 1 root 35 can be written as root 35. Okay, suppose 1 banana there means we will tell banana only simply. No need to mention 1. Okay, so in this way we will solve it, students. Now let's see problem number 3, and that is 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. So first we need to take the rationalizing factor of denominator. Okay, so rationalizing factor of 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 is equal 3 root 2. Here minus is there, no? Here we will take plus 2 root 3. Okay. Now with 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, we will multiply the given fraction or given expression. So 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So numerator into numerator. Students, here 1 is there. So 1 into anything gives the same number. 1 into x is x. So 1 into this expression is same. This expression only. Now denominator is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So where a minus b into a plus b gives you a square minus b square. Okay, so numerator into numerator, that is 1 of 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by, so a square minus b square. So 3 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 3 whole square. And students, here please don't cut square root directly. First we have to split it by using formula. What is that formula? A into b whole power m is equal a to the power of m into b to the power of n. So by using this formula, so 1 into this will be same 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by, so we can write here 3 square into root 2 square minus 2 square into root 3 square. So students, here square root cancel. Okay, now what will be the next step? 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 square is what? 9. 9 2s are 18 minus 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12. 18 minus 12. So students, we will get 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 18 minus 12 is what? 6. So here we can't take anything common, students, because 3 is different, 2 is different, like those are co-primes. We cannot take anything common from these numbers. So we got denominator as 6, which is rational number. So we simplified the expression. Okay? Yeah, students, now problem number 4. Okay, so what is the problem? 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. So students, here plus is there, right? So rationalizing factor of 3 root 3 plus root 2 is equal to 3 root 3 minus root 2. Now students, with the 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 minus root 2, we have to multiply this expression. Okay, so here we are rationalizing the denominator, please keep in mind. Okay, so 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 7 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 minus root 2. So students, here numerator, here it is in the form of, like anything is not same in these two binomials. So it's not in the form of a minus b to a minus b. So a minus b into c minus d. It is in the form of a minus b into c minus d. Okay. So if you see the denominator, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So how to simplify it? So here we are using the formula a minus b into, or a plus b into a minus b is equal a square minus b square. So how to simplify this like different binomials? So first we have to take this expression 3 root 5. I am taking the first expression in first binomial into whole. So first 3 root 5 into whole. So 3 root 5 into 3 root 3 minus root 2. And after this term, what is there? Minus root 7. So here write minus root 7 into this whole 3 root 3 minus root 2. Yeah. By 3 root 3 plus root 2 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 is there. So we can write it as 3 root 3 whole square minus root 2 square. So square root cancel, and here it is in the form of a into b whole to the power of m. So which is equal to a power m into b power m. Okay. So students, see here, now we are multiplying two binomials in numerators. Okay. 3 root 5 into 3 root 2. So 3 3s are what, students? 9. 3 3s are 9. And root 5 into root 3 is what? Root 15. So 3 root 5 into 3 root 3 is what? 9 root 15. Okay. 9 root 15. Now plus into minus is minus. 3 root 5 into root 2. Root 5 into root 2 is what? Root of 5 into 2 root 10. So we can write it as minus 3 root 5 into root 2 is minus 3 root 10. Okay, minus 3 root 10. Now minus root 7 into plus 3 root 3. Minus into plus minus, and 3 into root 7 into, we can multiply two irrationals which are having the same order. So under root of 3 into under root of 7, under root of 3 into 7, root 21. So we can write it as minus 3 root 27. Okay, sorry, 21. Minus 3 root 21. 3 7 by 21. Last minus into minus. Minus into minus is what? Plus. So plus 7 2s are under root of 7 into under root of 2. 7 2s are 14. So you will get here root 14. Okay, root 14. By denominator 3 root 3 whole square. 3 square into root 3 square. So that is 9 into root 3 square. Square root cancel. Minus 2 is there. Okay. So students, in numerator, if anything is common, like terms, if sets are having the same irrational part, we can take common and we can simplify it. But here All these are having the different irrationals. See, root 15, root 10, root 21, root 41. So sorry, root 14 is there. So these are not like sets. Okay. So we will keep like this only. 9 root 15 minus 3 root 10. Okay. Now minus 3 root 21 plus root of 14 by 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 2 is 25. So students, but denominator became 25, which is rational number. Denominator rationalized, and we simplified even numerator part also. And finally we got 9 root 15 minus 3 root 10 minus 3 root 21 plus root 14 by 25. Okay students, I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts, please put in comment section. And students, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.